Supreme Court's decision not to block the law as it goes through appeals is getting mixed reaction from local lawmakers.
23 News reporter Connor Hollingsworth talks with some of them about the court's move and what's next for the state line.
I don't think anybody thought this was going to be a short game. It was going to be a long fight.
I do think there is no need in today's day and age to have multiple or even single assault weapons.
State Representative Dave Vella and State Senator Andrew Chesney are lawmakers on different sides of the assault weapons ban, and they're keeping a close eye on its progress in the courts.
I wish there would be a temporary restraining order and it would be blocked. I think that this is going to be properly vetted out in the respective courts, and I, hope for a favorable ruling.
I do think it's going to be found constitutional. I do think it'll do something to start the process of curbing violence.
When the ban passed the legislature, some law enforcement leaders like Ogle County Sheriff Brian Van Vickle and Winnebago County Sheriff Gary Caruana called it a violation of the Second Amendment and would not enforce it.
Their first responsibility is to uphold the Constitution. They view it as unconstitutional. I share in that agreement.
But since the Supreme Court says the ban will remain, Vella hopes those officers will follow the law. In fact, both leaders say something must be done to stop the violence.
We just don't simply have the mental health counselors necessary to help people that are struggling.
I was in the criminal justice system for a long time. I don't remember this many guns in the streets. We need to start doing something.
Working for you in the state line, Connor Hollingsworth, 23 News.
12 out of the 21 most deadly mass shootings in the U.S. involved an AR-15.
The World Health Organization says mental health cases like anxiety and depression rose about 25% during the pandemic.